Are you feeling frustrated that she is ignoring you? There is a perfect solution to this problem. Yes, you heard that right. You can make her ego crumble with these tricks. Women can ignore you for thousands of reasons. However, you can turn these situations in your favor. You can destroy her ego and blast her into submission with your actions. All you need to do is say the right words. Some might say to start ignoring her and all will work out. That is wrong. There are so many things that matter. By the end of this video, you will learn how to make her regret her decisions with mind-boggling tricks. We've got 8 powerful strategies to share with you today. Let's dive right in. First up, act like she doesn't exist. I know it might sound harsh, but trust me, it's crucial. People might tell you to ask what's wrong or be extra kind, but let me tell you, it's all garbage. Don't ever ask why she's ignoring you. It's important to understand that by doing so, you're putting yourself in a low-tier position in her mind. Desperately trying to talk to her makes you appear needy, without dignity. I might be the only one saying this, but when a woman ignores you, she's actively disrespecting your existence. Now, the last thing you want to do is run back to her like a little lapdog. Neediness kills attraction faster than anything. Instead, here's the game changer. Act like she doesn't exist. But here's the key. Don't force it or get mad. We're not playing mind games. We're adults. Be nonchalant about how you ignore her. Go about your business. And let her see you have better things to do than to simp for her. Number 2. And this is a big one. Don't react emotionally. Whether she's lost interest or testing your character, it's crucial to remain stoic and unfazed. Why? Because, my friends, you hold the power. She might ignore you for various reasons, but your reaction is what makes all the difference. You can either give her silence power or better yet make her silence powerless. So here's the game plan. If she's lost interest, don't let it rattle you. Stay composed and focused on your own journey. You're the captain of your ship, and it's smooth sailing ahead. Stoicism is your secret weapon. By not reacting emotionally, you showcase strength and resilience. It's a subtle way of saying, I'm not shaken by external factors, I'm in control. Remember, your emotional reaction is a choice, and you choose power. By remaining unfazed, you're sending a powerful message. Her actions don't determine your worth or happiness. So the next time she ignores you, keep this strategy in mind. Don't let her silence become a source of power. Instead, turn it into a testament to your strength. Now let's discuss number 3 that's going to turn the tables and have you coming out on top. Grind as a man. You should always be on the grind, aiming to become exceptional. But when she ignores you, that's your cue to put your head down and work even harder. Let's face it, she wouldn't have ignored a better version of you. So keep improving, physically, mentally, and financially. This is not about proving her wrong. It's about proving to yourself that you're unstoppable. Here's a key insight. She expects a low-tier man to chase her, to keep sending messages. But if you show her you don't need to, that you're focused on your goals, it'll make her question her decision, especially if you're leveling up financially. So make sure to expand your finances. The more you grow in every aspect of your life, the more irresistible you become. Show her the power of your ambition and success. And hey, before we continue, if you're enjoying these tips, do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. We've got more empowering content coming your way, and you wouldn't want to miss it. Guys, you gotta understand that in the game of life, every move you make counts. So when she ignores you, let your success be the response. Now let's dive into strategy number 4 to make sure you're anything but boring. Guys, you might be boring. Girls love to have fun, and it's a universal truth. If you're being ignored, it might be because you're not bringing the excitement she craves. Don't get me wrong, striving to be the best version of yourself is crucial, but being a boring rat is a definite no-go. Being an introvert isn't an excuse either. It's about finding that balance. See, no matter how much money you make or how successful you are, if you can't make her laugh or do fun things together, you're simply not interesting. That's why she might be ignoring you and opting for someone who knows how to have a good time. Listen up. Being an exciting man is a skill, and most guys have it to some extent. It's the guys solely focused on self-improvement or making money that miss the mark. Don't let self-improvement turn you into a dork. Balance is the key. Be the best version of yourself, but also bring the excitement. It's not about being someone you're not. It's about enhancing your natural charm and having a good time doing it. So the next time you feel like you're being brushed aside, remember to bring the fun, be interesting, and let your charisma shine. Number 5. And this one's a real eye-opener. You gave her too much power. Girls, as we know, love to test guys to see how much they can get away with and how much power they can gain. It's time to shift that power back in your favor. Imagine this. She throws tantrums, treats you poorly, becomes less affectionate, or even ignores you. If you put up with this bad treatment out of fear of losing her, the power gradually shifts to her. And trust me, that's not where you want to be. The position you want to be in, and what women truly desire, is where you love and respect her, but you remain in the position of power. Achieving this requires maintaining belief in yourself and understanding the power dynamics between a man and a woman. If she gets out of line, it's crucial to let her know you're disappointed and expect better from her. Be lighthearted and easygoing when you communicate this, but at the same time, be assertive. Remember, it's not about being harsh. It's about setting boundaries and maintaining self-respect. If she continues with the same types of mistakes, it should be you who stops giving her attention. That's what women want a man to do, to stand firm against bad behavior. Number 6. And this one is all about reclaiming your power. Focus on your purpose. A man without a purpose can find trivial things consuming him, worrying about irrelevant matters. But a man with purpose? He's unshakable. When a woman ignores you, it's time to shift your focus. You don't have time to waste worrying about what another human, male or female, is doing. Your goals need to have priority over a woman. This shift not only humbles her, but also destroys her ego. Suddenly, her ignoring you becomes meaningless. Anything she does will have no impact on you anymore. It's time to get on your purpose and let it speak louder than any words. Imagine this. When your goals take precedence, her actions become insignificant. It's not about playing games. It's about acknowledging your worth and the value of your time. So the next time she ignores you, see it as an opportunity to refocus. Realign with your purpose and watch as everything else falls into place. This strategy is not just about winning her back. It's about winning at life. But wait, how you can find your purpose? Stick around. This is gold. Now, if you're unsure about your purpose, that's completely understandable. This is vital, and I saved it for the end of the video. For those still with me, let's talk about discovering your purpose. To find your purpose, you must remove distractions and be alone with your thoughts. Consider what's most important to you and what you want to achieve. It could be anything, from becoming rich to mastering a skill or impacting people. The possibilities are endless. Once you figure that out, it's time to test the validity of your desire. Most goals that pop up aren't your purpose. They're dreams and desires others told you about. To test if your purpose is real, ask yourself, why? Let's take an example. If your purpose is to become a multimillionaire, ask yourself why. Keep asking why at least 10 times. Someone with a real purpose can dig deeper and have answers for each why. But if you merely saw your dream life on social media or heard it from someone else, you won't be able to keep answering the whys. With this exercise, you'll quickly discover if your desire is a real burning passion or not. Keep testing yourself, keep asking why, and see if you can keep having answers. This is the key to unveiling your true purpose. Now, number 7. Create jealousy. You must be able to create an air of jealousy. After you have been practicing these principles, she will most likely contact you. However, as we have explained, it is a trap. If you avoid falling into that trap, something else will happen. She will try harder, and she might even stalk you. She might do something drastic to get your attention. However, you must remain strong. All you have to do now is seek out new relationships by going to bars and talking to other women. It doesn't matter where you are. Just try to converse with different women, and when you do, she will notice this. Suddenly, you will become a man who talks to a lot of girls because now you are in the market. You are available again for dating. Seeing this will make her jealous, especially if you are talking to prettier girls than her. It can make a huge difference in your self-confidence. Number 8. Kill the anxiety. Don't be anxious. Anxiety can be detrimental. It can be harmful to everyone around you. For example, if you are worried about the loss of a girl, your other relationships will take a toll as well. Your interactions with your family members will deteriorate. Your interactions with your friends will become weak. Keep in mind that nervousness and anxiety can spread. It spreads to the people who are present around you. When they sense your anxiety, they will change their opinions about you. When they change their opinions about you, their reaction to you will change. Their behavior toward you will change. It will cause significant distress in your mind and body. You will start to feel insecure and vulnerable all of a sudden. You will begin seeking compliments from other people. You will feel inadequate if people don't compliment you. All of these actions lead to one thing, and one thing only. You will become a prisoner of your mind. You will feel trapped, and walking out of that situation is almost impossible. So there you have it. 8 game-changing strategies to turn the tables when she ignores you. If you found this advice helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more.